market commentary that I didn't expect much to happen, and we didn't get anything happening today. You can see here by this 5-minute chart that we had two levels of trading, basically pre-market 1566 down to 1563 and a half, and then the rest of the day was 1560 up to 1563 and a half. So very tight range where this 1563 area ended up holding at the end of the day. So we ended up doing a whole lot of nothing. Oil got crushed today. I'll bring up the chart here real quick. Oil traded down to $79, down 2.7%, and that was a big day down. So here's a look at oil again. It was just a trend day down all day on the crude. SPOs were down slightly for the day. Russell was down. The Nasdaq actually had a divergence all day. The Nasdaq traded to the highs of the day by the close. So technology continues to be everybody's favorite darling right now, which would concern me if I were ultra long technology. But it's working until it doesn't, I guess, anymore, as the saying goes. So again, we traded down here to the 2164 range in the Nasdaq, and then closed out at 2180. So things continue to be bullish on the technology front. And the daily chart, if you ask me, is getting a little bit overbought. So again, I'd be pretty careful here going into the earnings season in earnest next week. Your 2-day RSI is getting very overextended. Anytime you get up here into the mid-90s or higher, even your daily RSI on the Nasdaq is pushing the upper end here. You can see every time we get here, we generally sell off a wee bit. So, or at least the upside is restricted. Each time we get up here, we tend to base for a while, or either fall off slowly or get a sharp pull off. And this move that we've had is similar to this one we had last in the summer here, where the Nasdaq ran really hard and then we sold off. So maybe we'll see again a sell-off back to I don't know, 2050 or so. That would be still a good thing for the bulls here if we had a little sell-off, and we are getting overbought. So gold today was also back down $8.80, kind of fluctuating between 730 and 750 now. And the dollar yen, as we brought up this morning, is pushing higher, 117.41, and that is again pushing to the upper end of where I'd probably be looking to be a seller. Housing got smacked down again today. I think we took a long stab, picked up some shares in an ETF there, as I think housing may have some room to bounce if it can stay at this level here, the 2250, 2280 level. If that can hold, the XHB might be a good area to pick up some here on the test. If not, you got a low risk entry here and step out on a quick basis. Traded Google around a couple times today, made money, lost money, and went home flat. All in all, I could have been better served by getting a long bike in or playing around to golf today, because you didn't miss much outside of a couple takeouts with Bob J on the stock side, and the typical momentum stocks: Apple, dry shipping, Baidu, Google. These were the names moving, Garmin, RIM. So I was not riding that momentum too much myself today. Akamai had a big day, up 8.5%, almost 9% rather. And some of the names that follow that also mirrored that move. So we'll be back tomorrow. Bond traders will be back, so we'll have a better feel for this market, where the interest rates are and what they're trading. As today just felt like a holiday trading environment again. And earnings kick off tomorrow in strength, with Alcoa kicking it off at the end of the day tomorrow. So let's see where we end up, and we'll talk to you tomorrow.